Hey, good morning friends, everybody out there getting after another Friday today. Yesterday I was able to nab what I wanted from Supreme, super easy, checkout just went real smoothly, nothing to complain about, so that was cool. I didn't get the Brazil Dunks, I really wish I would be able to get those. I got 2 more chances today, and then I also have Palace that's dropping today. The only problem with Palace when I'm using my phone is that I have to scroll down like crazy to get to some of the new items. It does make Palace pretty hard to grab anything cool from my phone. Yeah, any of those items that sell out really fast on Palace, I really don't have a chance of getting. You really need a bot for those. Maybe some manual guys have figured it out, but I have not yet, so yeah, I don't have any crazy hype from Palace as of yet. I just kind of go after the items that look cool from them. Anyways, I gotta get after the rest of this Friday. I've gotta go work, and then I've got a Supreme item coming in. But yeah, first, let's go around town, deliver some mail. People, so I went after the Dunks. Dudes, just kept cycling. I was in the waiting room forever. I never left that waiting room. And an hour passed. I was still working. I just had my phone sitting over on the side, just circling and circling. And then at 9, I went ahead and went after the Palace drop. The sneakers from the Palace website sold out way too fast, not even an option. And I kind of heard that that was going to be happening. So what I did is I went after the Adidas app, but then you had to click, it brought you to the website, and I was in the waiting room with the website. I was able to add my size to cart, but then it sold out before I was able to check out. It was so terrible, I'm so sad, but it's okay. I caught nothing today. That's just what happens some mornings. You just don't get everything that you want, especially when you're not using bots. When you're trying to do it manual like me, you know, I'm at work, so, you know, I guess I could do some different bots that work on your phone, but then I have to worry about like having different addresses, because I don't want my address to be flagged, because these companies don't want people using bots, even though they know everybody is. So they're just like, all right, if your address gets flagged, it's your own fault. Hopefully that never really happens to me. Wow, this vehicle's looking pretty terrible. This is a trashy old rig. This is like from the 80s. Anyways, I got so much mail to deliver. They're giving me extra today too, so I'm working 10 hours. And then Abby's getting a tattoo today. I would go with her and watch, but they're only letting one person in at a time. So the tattoo artist and the person getting tattooed are the only people allowed in there right now with the laws going on here in Montana. Yeah, businesses are basically able to open up and just kind of follow their own personal guidelines, honestly, here in Great Falls, it seems. I mean, a lot of the restaurants do have every other table closed so that you can't sit like right next to each other. But yeah, we're slowly reopening here in Montana. I mean, I never quit. I kept delivering mail the whole entire time. I'm sure you guys kept getting your bills and everything from the post office. That was me. Anyways, let's do this. Taking a little break. Abby.
Hey.
Thanks for finding me. Good to see you. We're gonna have some tacos. Cafe Rio. Yeah.
And they have vegan options.
So what are you doing today, Abby? What's so exciting? What's happening?
Getting a tattoo.
Oh.
You know, like they say, you can't get just one.
No, you can't.
You have to get more.
Right.
And yeah, I never thought I'd get one, and now I'm getting another one.
Perfect.
Super excited.
I'm excited. I can't wait to see it. So we'll see you later today.
Yeah.
We got to get into some food. I'm so hungry.
Me too.
30 minutes later. It's pretty hard for them to get some tortilla shells, put some meat on it.
Calm down.
And some lettuce and tomato.
People get busy.
I have no time to eat, and instead I'm making a video.
Yeah, maybe you should eat instead.
Yeah, I should probably eat. Action shot. It's not doing so hot. Can't fly anymore. It's so big.
Oh, look at this beauty.
beauty. Just gorgeous. Look at that finish. Just, oh man. It's amazing. All the way, everywhere. Oh, it's been a long day. I'm ready to go home. It's about time to open up some Supreme, wouldn't you say? Hey friends, we're back at it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Push me to keep making more content. Keep getting more hyped stuff and showing you guys so that we can all be aware of what's fake, what's not. Everything I'm getting is straight from the retailer or from a legit source. And I'm checking all over the internet before I show you guys my items. I mean, in the past, I've shown you guys some fake items. Some of those videos I've deleted. Other ones I've marked and told you guys. I don't really want to talk about that. It's been very few items. I've been pretty good overall at making sure I just get legit stuff. But anyways, we're looking at this Daniel Johnston week 12 item. We're gonna break into it right now. Oh, and one more reason to subscribe. Oh, jeez. This bag is really dirty. What was I saying? One more reason to subscribe. I am giving away Supreme sticker packs once I hit 3,000 subscribers. So just DM me on Instagram. I'm not trying to grow that really, or Twitter, but you can, talk to me on those platforms. See a little bit of my personal life, like everybody else's personal life Instagram account or whatever. But anyways, if you send me a DM on my Instagram, you'll be entered into the raffle. I'll just need to get your shipping address, and yeah, you could have a chance to win. I almost thought I didn't get a sticker, but I'm double checking the bag, and Supreme did give me not one, but 2 box logo stickers. They're bent and crinkled or whatever, but once again, they come through. I wanted this so badly in indigo, or that purplish blue color. I think it's indigo, but I was not able to get that colorway. It was a little bit of a rough day when this dropped, but I got the black one. Can't complain about that. There's the sticker label for you all. On here you do have some warning information, size large over here for this plastic. And then you got 2 little pieces of tape holding the plastic down. That's how it comes straight from Supreme. And I always, when I sell this stuff, I like to repackage it the same way Supreme did. Just so, people can get that nostalgia of opening it up. So I always keep all this plastic and whatnot. Even if it's a used item, some people, will want that and it can make it more valuable. So let's go ahead, open this sweater up. And there is no tissue paper or anything underneath the fold or whatnot. On the side, you do have a screen printed Supreme text by Daniel Johnston. And then his artwork, all screen printed, it looks like. His little saying, I have this on my community tab. You guys can look at it, that actual graphic, or his art piece anyways. But now it's on a sweater. I've got it on this amazing sweater. Very cool. Back of the neck, we've got our tag here. Very similar to the tags they always use on crew necks and box logos and all that stuff. So just seeing more of these kind of helps you know when something is legit or not, because they're not always going to be exactly the same. They're going to have a little bit of variance just because everything can't be perfectly the same all the time. Down at the bottom left, you've got your wash tag. And then the back of that wash tag. I didn't get this piece because I'm some sort of a Daniel Johnston fanatic. I mean, I am a Supreme fanatic. I guess you could, say that pretty safely. But I actually got this because I am just in love with the music from the Beatles and that whole era. I mean, I like all music genres. I listen to literally everything. Any new music, I'm listening to it. Trust me. I walk 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day, whatever. So I got time. But anyways, they got a little quote here from a Beatles song. And I like that little quote. It's kind of nice. And it plays well for the picture. You guys can come up with your own idea of what this means. But anyways, I'll go ahead, throw it on, and take a look. Whoa! Okay, that one was a little bit weird, maybe. I do like this sweater. It fits really nice. The size large, I'm glad I went with that size. Nice and cozy. I'm sure size medium would have fit me pretty well too. But I just like to go size large with stuff so you're extra safe. And then other people who want to buy it, has a better chance of fitting a bigger variety of people. So anyways, I am going to shoot some positivity at you. Shouldn't really be flipping this Bible. Anyways, this is the David Bentley Hart translation of the New Testament. He is still living. He studies ancient Near East. He's written several books that I really enjoy and love. He's among one of many authors that I read, not the only author I read. I have had such a past with searching out the scriptures. I've worked in clergy, I've gone to the Bible colleges, all that stuff, and now I'm just still searching because there's so much information out there, and man, I mean, there's a lot of untruth out there and misinformation, but I'm trying to seek out the truth. You guys can come with me on this journey. When I first started this channel, I had some messed up thinking, and it's better now, and I'll hopefully get better as time continues. But anyways, Luke chapter 16, verse 16 says, "Until John, there were the laws and the prophets. Since then, the good tidings of God's kingdom are being proclaimed, and everyone is being forced into it." Oh man. So Jesus has got this message going out to everybody to love each other, to help out your community, to basically think of others before you think of yourself. Think how your actions are going to affect the people around you. Not that many take the time to think about that when they act. I mean, I'm definitely not good at that. Even today, I did some stuff in the moment that I wish I wouldn't have. I got upset about things that I didn't really need to get that upset about. You know, lunch was a little bit rough. But we move on. We continue on in life, and we make the next moment that much better. But I'm just saying, this way of loving each other and caring for each other, once a human feels the emotion of love, it's just so accepting and so amazing and comforting that you can't let it go. You just have to deal with it. And I don't know, it's weird. It's like people can't reject true love. Once they have felt it, it's a human nature to just strive for it again. So that's why it seems like we're forced into it with this translation, because that's how intense they were trying to say it in the original text. So anyways, I hope you guys can be contagious to the people around you. Spread some love, some positivity. Let's get this moving in an amazing direction that can change this world for the better. So anyways, I will catch you guys later. Hopefully we all get black 700 Yeezys. I would really love to get those little minivan shoes, whatever. Oh, Abby's, hey! Let's go check out her tattoo. I forgot about that. Hey, Abby, welcome home.
Hi, Annie.
So, what happened today?
Well, I got a tattoo.
You got a tattoo?
Yep, that was
What?
exciting.
Oh,
You
man.
knew about it.
I did know about it.
It's a bit darker now than it's going to be, I think.
Oh, yeah, it's always darker the first day, but that is nice. All right, well, want to sign us out?
Peace. Well.